No distractions, just clear instructions. Let's jump in. In the first step, launch Pubg Mobile. Then click on Settings in the main menu. Now go to Basic Settings. Next, change third perspective camera view from 80 to 90. In the next step, open your device's display settings. Now tap on screen resolution or aspect ratio. Then select a wider aspect ratio like 18:9 or 19:9. In the next step, open your Android emulator AEG Game Loop. After that, navigate to Settings within the emulator. Next, adjust the resolution to 1440x580 for a wider view. In the next step, open Pubg Mobile. Later, minimize the game. Later, activate your device's split screen feature to open Pubg Mobile in one half. After that, expand Pubg Mobile to full screen. In the next step, understand that using third-party apps to alter game settings can result in account bans. Now always ensure account safety by avoiding unauthorized changes. You are good to go.